Where to find the best sites. Media playback software. Howdy. The best internet resources about how to install QuickTime Player 3, these are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about how to install QuickTime Player 3 is www.apple.com. See the page titled Apple, QuickTime, Download. Here's the link. You can also try 1377168.r.msn.com, especially the page QuickTime Download softdls.com. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-rank site 2871898.r.msn.com. The web page QuickTime copyright-free download, 2014 QuickTime for Windows. This is the link.